Hi, I'm Dan McCabe from Avalon Integration. Today we're here to talk about the Xplore L10 Ultra Rugged Tablet Computer. Xplore is a manufacturer of ultra rugged tablet computers for extremely challenging environments. So you might be wondering, what makes a challenging environment? Well, the first thing is temperature. Think police car in Miami in the summer. Think uncooled distribution warehouse in Miami in the summer. Think police car in Canada in the winter. Think the freezer at an ice cream factory. Your environment might not be challenging due to temperature. It could just be challenging because your folks tend to drop their tablets all the time and break them. If you have a need for an ultra rugged tablet that's going to work all day long, every day in a challenging environment, you should definitely be looking at Xplore. Unfortunately, this premium performance historically came with a premium price tag. The good news for all of us in the industry now is that Zebra has recently purchased Xplore and is going to make this technology available at a new lower price point. So we are thrilled to introduce the Xplore portfolio to our historical Zebra customer base. Let's take a look.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so let's open it up. There's basically only two components in the box, the tablet and the battery. I'm going to take this out and put the battery in. Okay, so this is the tablet. You can see that it's a completely standard Windows PC, which means that all of the normal things you could do on a Windows PC can easily be done on this tablet. One of the things we're expecting our client base to do is load Excel on here and use that to do typical data entry tasks like taking inventory. So what we expect people are going to do is load Excel on here, open a new worksheet, perhaps put the cursor in cell A1, and then they're going to check and make sure everything's ready to go, and then they're going to go scan, 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 scan as they're taking inventory, and they can periodically easily flip this up to check on the results. So what that means is that with this sort of technology, business people can solve business problems without calling on their IT staff. And if there's one thing that's true nowadays, is that nobody has extra IT staff, and nobody has IT staff with extra time. So this is going to be a huge win for our client base to be able to use this industry standard Windows technology with an ergonomic, embedded, easy to scan scanner. So that's the Xplore L10 Tablet, now manufactured by Zebra. Easy to buy, easy to own, easy to carry, easy to scan, impossible to break. We're Avalon Integration. Give us a call. We'd love to help you leverage this technology.